Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English daily practice. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we have a super fun and practical topic, talking about the weather in English. Yes, we're going to learn how to describe the weather, the seasons, and all the words you need to sound natural when chatting about today's weather. Now, before we start, let me tell you why this is so important. Every day, people talk about the weather, whether you are at school, at work, traveling, or just meeting a new friend. Talking about the weather is a simple and friendly way to start a conversation. And the good news is, once you know the basic phrases, you can talk about weather anywhere in the world. So let's start with the very first question you need to know. The most common question is, what's the weather like today? You can also ask, how's the weather today? Is it sunny today? Is it raining outside? For example, a short conversation might go like this. You. Hi, what's the weather like today? Friend. It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. See, simple and easy. This is a great icebreaker, especially with new friends. Let's learn common words to describe the weather. Temperature. Hot, very warm. Warm, nice and comfortable. Cool, a little chilly. Cold, you need a jacket or coat. Freezing, extremely cold, almost icy. Sky conditions. Sunny, the sun is shining. Cloudy, many clouds but no rain. Overcast, completely covered with clouds. Foggy, hard to see because of fog. Stormy, lots of wind, thunder, or lightning. Rain or snow. Rainy, raining outside. Drizzling, light rain. Pouring, heavy rain. Snowy, snow is falling. Hail, small ice stones falling from the sky. Wind, windy, strong wind. Breezy, light, pleasant wind. Calm, no wind. Here's a tip. When someone describes the weather with many details, focus on key words: temperature, precipitation, wind, and landmarks like sunny, cold, windy, rainy. Once you know the words, you can describe today's weather like this. Today is sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. It's cloudy and cool today. Maybe take a jacket. It's raining and windy. Don't forget your umbrella. It's snowing. Everything looks beautiful and white. You can also combine words, like, it's sunny but a little windy. It's cold and snowy today. It's warm and sunny, perfect for a picnic. English speakers often talk about weather by seasons. Each season has its own characteristics and words. Spring, March to May. Mild and occasionally rainy. Breezy, flowers start to bloom. Example, in spring, it's mild and rainy. I love seeing the flowers bloom. Summer, June to August. Hot, sunny, sometimes stormy, humid in some places. Example, summer is hot and sunny, perfect for the beach, but sometimes we get big thunderstorms. Autumn, September to November. Cool, crisp, windy, sometimes rainy. Beautiful colored leaves. Example, Autumn is cool and windy. I love walking in the park and watching the leaves fall. Winter, December, February. Cold, freezing, snowy, sometimes foggy, windy, and chilly. Example, winter is freezing, perfect for hot chocolate and cozy clothes. Here are some real-life conversations. 1. With a friend. You. Hi, what's the weather like today? Friend. It's sunny and warm. Great day for a walk. 2. At school or work. You. Do you know if it's going to rain today? Colleague. Yes, it might drizzle in the afternoon. Bring an umbrella. 3. With someone new. You. Hello, how's the weather today? New friend. It's cloudy but not too cold. Perfect for coffee outside. You can also share your feelings about the weather. I love sunny days. They make me happy. I don't like rainy days. They make me sleepy. Snowy weather is amazing. I want to make a snowman. Windy days are exciting. I like flying kites. Sharing your opinion makes conversation more personal and fun. Sometimes you want more information. You can ask, will it rain tomorrow? Is it going to be sunny this weekend? Do you know the temperature today? And talk about temperatures. It's 25 degrees Celsius today. Very comfortable. It's below 0. Don't forget your gloves. English has some fun idioms about weather. It's raining cats and dogs means heavy rain. Under the weather means feeling sick. Every cloud has a silver lining means there is something good in every bad situation. Break the ice means start a conversation. Using idioms makes you sound natural and fluent. Talking about weather leads to seasonal activities. Spring, walk in the park, plant flowers. Summer, go swimming, have a picnic. Autumn, hike, enjoy autumn leaves, drink warm tea. Winter, ski, build a snowman, drink hot chocolate. Example, it's autumn and cool today. I think I'll go for a walk in the park. Here's a short monologue you can practice. Hello. Today the weather is sunny and warm. I love sunny days because they make me happy. It's perfect for going outside, taking a walk, or having a picnic. This season is summer, so sometimes it gets really hot. But today is just right. I think I'll go to the park later and enjoy the sun. What about you? Do you like sunny days too? Ask about the weather. What's the weather like today? Use temperature words: hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing. Use sky words: sunny, cloudy, overcast, foggy, stormy. Use rain and snow words: rainy, drizzling, pouring, snowy, hail. Use wind words: windy, breezy, calm. Talk about seasons and typical weather. Share your opinions. Ask about the forecast. Use idioms to sound natural. Talk about seasonal activities. Practice daily monologues to improve fluency. Talking about the weather is fun and natural. Once you practice these phrases, you can chat confidently anywhere. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, enjoy talking about the weather, and soon it will feel easy. Goodbye, and see you in the next English Daily Practice session.